Welcome to our quick guide on making avocado toast with poached egg. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Let's get started. Start by toasting your slices of whole grain bread to your desired crispiness. While the bread toasts, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork and season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra kick. This creamy avocado base will set the stage for our delicious toast. Next, poach the eggs. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and crack each egg into a separate small bowl. Create a gentle whirlpool in the simmering water and carefully slide each egg into the center. Poach for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remain runny. These tips will help you nail the poaching process. Now, let's bring it all together. Spread the mashed avocado evenly over the toasted bread slices. Lift the poached eggs out of the water with a slotted spoon, letting excess water drain off, and place an egg on each slice of avocado toast. Finish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground pepper. This final step brings all the flavors alive, elevating your breakfast to something special. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy avocado toast with poached egg. Enjoy your nutritious breakfast. Remember, it's all about making simple, wholesome food that delights the senses.